Hello everybody, this is TwinStream 365. I'm Tony.
I'm Tim.
And we are going to do a quick vlog thing because we were supposed to have a video up yesterday, but we did not.
That's Tony's fault.
But actually
Tony.
first, this is starting to look kind of crappy right here, so I'm going to go ahead and shave real quick, so I'll be right back. I think it looks a little bit better like this. I'll probably end up shaving off the mustache, but that's okay. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. So anyways, what we were going to be doing this vlog on today was we were going to talk about some things we're going to be introducing on the Twitch stream and on YouTube. So as far as on Twitch, we're going to go ahead and introduce AnkBot, which is a bot that we can use kind of like Nightbot, but we can the main thing we want to use it for is for giving you guys points for like however much time you're viewing the channel, so that way you can get points. And then we're gonna go ahead and do like a prize wheel thing. We're gonna have the AnkBot thing up by the end of this month, and then by the end of March we'll go ahead and have a prize wheel, and then we can do drawings and then give people spins on the prize wheel. We'll probably have something like gift cards or something like that on there, as well as
And when we have merchandise, we'll put that on there too.
yeah, as well as merchandise once we get like t-shirts made up.
We're working on the logo right now, so.
Yeah, Tim's working on that. We'll hopefully have that stuff within the next several months. I don't know. Hopefully by the middle of the year to you know, incorporate into Twitch. But you know, we'll see. But we will have AnkBot up by the end of the month, and we will have a prize wheel up by the end of next month. So, and then
we're giving them extra extended stream tonight too.
yeah, and then since we did not get out a video yesterday, which we apologize for, is because conflicting with our work schedule that we just started, with our job that we just started. So since we did not put up this video yesterday, we're gonna go ahead and do an extended stream. We'll do an extended stream for about like an extra 5 hours tonight. Normally we would be on from 6 o'clock until 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. We'll go ahead and go at least until 3 or 4 in the morning.
Yeah.
So we're sorry about that.
And I've been missing it. I'm happy about this. This makes me happy to be on longer.
But yeah,
trust me.
But you know, that's not gonna happen again. We apologize. You know, but and then as far as YouTube, we're gonna be having up more Let's Play type videos. We're gonna do some video reviews, and we're gonna be doing some collaboration videos with Jeremeister, which if you guys don't know him, which I think you do, most of you do, he's a really good friend of ours, and he's on stream every once in a while. But yeah,
Usually on the weekends.
what else? And then let me see what the clear rate is actually on that Mario level. Since if you guys are playing that, like we said, you have up until the end of the month. If you beat the level, or you have the highest clear time, or
If you have a clear, you're in the raffle. But if you get the first clear, which somebody's already done that, they get a little bit extra entries. You know, just to give them a little bit better advantages. That's pretty impressive. Plus, whoever has the best time gets a little bit extra. So it doesn't mean they're gonna win, but it means they have a slightly better chance.
yeah. But if you want to check out the details on that, we'll go ahead and post a link to that video.
Yeah.
You do have, there's a couple of requirements before you actually like start playing. But yeah, that should be fun.
You just have to refer to
there's only
the video
one.
for it. It was the last one that we posted earlier this week.
Yeah. But we've got one clear on it currently out of 2,365 tries.
So if you guys beat that, you got a great chance.
And I think there's probably gonna be a few people that end up beating it very soon because of the fact.
What you win.
Because of the fact that I think like a lot of you guys are actually getting deeper and deeper into the level. It's only a 30-second level. But yeah, we just wanted to give you guys a quick summary on things, and I will have that Mario Maker video up on Tuesday. I was gonna try and have it up yesterday as far as like to show you guys how long it took to actually upload that game.
I had to make a change too in the level because I wanted to make it, you know, even harder than it is now.
That was before it came out. Just
yeah,
in case.
it's not like that how you guys are seeing it, but before, because I couldn't upload it like that, it was too hard. So
yeah. But you guys will see like the original version and then the version that actually got uploaded.
Yeah.
But anyways, that's pretty much what we wanted to talk about real quick. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you on Twitch tonight.
Yeah.
So everybody have a good day, and we'll see you later.
See you
Bye.
in an hour and a half.
Yeah.